Hey guys, it's the boy Anthony, and I'm here to show you guys everything you need to know about extensions. All right, how to use them, what mangas, how much mangas you'll be able to read from each of them, and stuff like that. I'll be showing you visually, like practically all YouTubers is doing. Right, so moving on. Right, so the first thing I want to address is this guy here comment. Now, on this video here, how to download manga in Mihon, right? Mangas in Mihon. What this guy was clarifying to me, I see about 16 people like it, but nobody didn't dislike it. But apparently this guy didn't like it. He was clarifying to me that they asked where to download it. All right, everybody already know how to download them, but where to download them. If I am not mistaken, that's what he's trying to see, right? Anyone can update that, not the point. It's not what they're asking. So he trying to ask, practically speaking, to you guys, that you guys want to know where to download your manga and manhwas and comics. Apparently, Mihon could do all of that. Okay, so from the videos I've made at least 5 of them. You understand? From best settings to how to install extensions to how to download mangas, how to operate in Mihon, and the first one here, how to install and set up Mihon. I think in each videos I've clarified in some way or form, but apparently it didn't stick with some of y'all, so this video is clarifying that. Okay, moving on. Not wasting time here. So this here is BlueStacks. I am on BlueStacks right now showing this because, well, the screen will be bigger and it will be just this one slit in the screen. And you guys will have to, force your eyes. You'll see a cursor, this yellow cursor here, and you can follow along nice and smooth. Moving on. So this is my library here. Don't test all these chapters on them. Great mangas. If you're reading them, if you're not reading them, you guys should pick them up. Pause the screen and get them. Right, so we are in the sources right now. As you can see, this here is all the sources I have downloaded and I've placed here. Right, these are the sources. So any manga that I am looking for, I just had to click here and type it in, and from the sources on them, it will come up. And we're not talking about that right now. We're talking about the extensions. We'll get back to that just now. Extensions. So for beginners and veterans, the veterans will already know about this or not. When you go up to the site, I think it's in one of my videos on them how to install Mihon and how to use it. That one, it will be showing you how to, when you're going to the extension on the site, you'll be able to download the extension. You don't need to download a plethora of extension, you just only need to download one extension. So I can download early manga, and by downloading early manga and installing it within the app and putting it to trust. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll show you now. So right, as you can see here, all these here is mangas, is extensions I've downloaded. Right, so as soon as it reached the multi, from down here, coming down here, there's all the other extensions I could download now. Now, the ones on them that say 18, well, you all know what 18 means. It is adult mangas. If you're into that kinky stuff, like myself. Anyways, moving on. The ones here that doesn't have the 18, those are the regular, normal mangas and manhwas. Okay, so I'm looking for one here, right? So KDT scans. Okay, from here, click download. right? It will ask me install, right? Install, it's there. Then I just had to come back up here over multi, it's right here. I just had to click it and press trust. Now that it's trusted, it will be here somewhere. Where is it? Where is it? So submit. Oh, there it is. KDT scans. Right? So now it's trusted. Right? So that's how you'll be able to get the extensions, and then you no longer need to go back on the site to get extension. Once you download an extension and install it here. Okay? Onto your phone. Right? So go back to source now. Within source, let's say for example, I'm looking for a specific manga. I don't know how you guys just use each of the sources on them, which is the extensions. You just go to one of your favorite source and look for a manga, but we're not here to do that. Right? We get to look to see which source will have abundance of the chapters we want to read, of a certain manga we want to read. Okay? So click here. Let's say I type in King. Click that. I go here, I press all. We don't want to show that because it's YouTube. And YouTube will demonetize my tail for that specific thing. Alright, come here, right? So Tomb Raider. Right? Let me do a Tomb Raider. So I click Tomb Raider. Alright, how much chapters Tomb Raider have? 411. Now, alright, that 411. Let's see from our next source. This is Manga Demon. That there is one of the sources on there. So Manga Demon sources has the strongest God King and have all these plethora of amazing mangas, right? I go here, Manga Clash. Manga Clash has some good ones here too, including The King of Snow, badass manga. You guys should read it, but it's new. So I know some more I love to wait until it reach 100 and so before I start reading it. But I should. Badass manga. You can have it in your library. This one, King, good manga. Alright, so we have hentais and stuff. Very very much, which is good. Alright, this is looking for a father. This is a good manga. Like a smart, but really good. It's good. Good read. Right, you have manga here, you have manga life. Look at our next one, King. Right, let me see our chapters. Right, 411. All right, manga C. Manga C, we take it. 411. So what they're showing you, which each of the sources and then the extensions are showing you, it has 411 chapters out. Now, if you go to an extension that has less than the chapters that you have seen in other extensions, you just have to decide which extension you're going to be reading it on. Right? So let's say, for example, I click this, add it to my library, right? And I start reading it, right? Let's say that out this year to Manga Life no longer in service, and I can't read no mangas in this anymore. Right? I show you all that. Despite the video is basically to show you how to use the extensions. You come here now. So I come here now and I'm looking through, I'm reading that thing, or I go to the latest chapter and I realize the chapter not loading. What do? I come up here to the three dots here, I click it, and I go to migrate. And then in migrate, I hit here, all. And what all will show me is all the other extensions that has this. So you have Manga Fox 4. You have manga here, but they're showing it here also. But what they show is like, select date to include. No, what we want to know if this manga here has all the chapters we want, right? Show entry. Right, so it have 411. It have all the chapters so we're looking for. I will come back out. Right, this is the one we're using here right now. But we're looking for one that has all, but to our liking. Where will I want to read this? Manga C? Alright, let me go to manga C. They're going to entry 104. Alright, so I want to migrate here. So I come back out and I click it and it will ask me to migrate. What migration do is wherever you reach in your manga, like if you reach chapter 1, if you read out 100 chapters and you don't want to have to think about which part I reach or what chapter I was reading last, this is what migration does. So you migrate to this, and what it does is show you which part you left off. So you could continue, but in our next place. Right? So this is what that is. All right. So if you guys have reached this far into the video and you like what you see, and I really hope this video was insightful and leading to the point in what this crispy to 365 was speaking, where to download. I'll show you guys way more than where to download and how to navigate and things. Right? I'll show you way more than expected. Okay, so I hope it was insightful. Again, I'm not the one that created this program. I'm a consumer just like the rest of you. I really hope this video works for you guys in your guys' favors. Alright? So I hope you guys like and subscribe and follow for more. I really do. I really hope the video helped too. And I hope it actually brings some more insightfulness to you guys. So let me know in the comments if this video actually helped you guys understand more when it comes to Mihon. Alright? I am heading out. You guys stay safe. Really, guys, be safe out there. Really be safe out there. I am out. Laters for now.